Last week I said I wanted to buy the stock market, which I did, but I barely made anything because the price action was absolutely terrible. This week I'm looking to short it, so stay tuned. Hi, I'm Jake from Simple Elite Traders. Our mission is to share our knowledge to help more retail traders, so hopefully you can benefit and profit from the financial market. If any of the topic is your interest, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let's get right into the stock market. Right, so we're looking at the Nasdaq. Last week I did manage to get in a nice entry, a retest around the on Monday. I took the trade around, let me just circle that and show you guys, around the weekly pivot area, so 153.40. Price went up, Tuesday kicked me out break even, and then it went again. However, all you're seeing is just a ranging condition. I mean, the longer that we cannot find buyer, the more bearish that I am. Overall, the macro picture of the stock market, we're bearish. FTSE is showing some weakness today, the UK index. I'll show you in a minute anyway. So the plan going forward is a bit tricky early of the week because we're waiting for the FOMC meeting on Wednesday. So we could see a spike up around this area again, the range. I could sell top of the range on Thursday. If not, break below this area 152, and I look to sell the Nasdaq. So that's the plan on Nasdaq. S&P 500 is quite similar. We do have, a ranging condition. Let's go to a 4 hour. You might see it a bit better, and then I can borrow the drawing that I have. We're just having a range around here at the moment. Well, actually, a bigger range broke out to test that, but now we are having a mid-range condition here. So I could see price range around here. It could go back up there, but as long as it breaks below the monthly pivot, then I'll look to be a seller of S&P. But perhaps Nasdaq might be an easier option to sell. Dow Jones as well, you can see a daily price action. Monday try to push higher, Tuesday nothing. Wednesday, Thursday gone up, Friday gone down, today a bit low test. So it's not the best condition. So if this trend line doesn't hold, break below, then certainly a lot more weakness to come. So keep an eye on the Dow Jones Industrial. Russell is the weakest. The small cap stock is in the weakest. You can see already we have a head and shoulder pattern in here. So if this 1,840 level doesn't hold, we could open up a lot more downside for that, because just multiple big head and shoulder here, okay, or another mini head and shoulder in here as well. So we do certainly see some weakness across the stock industry. I mentioned that FTSE UK today already seeing some weakness. Let's go to daily first. But because we have quite a bit of central banks news, I don't want to be too eager to get into a trade. We could have a condition like that, with rate for a few days. So, but you do see the 7,700 level is rejecting at the moment. So there's quite a lot of interaction on FTSE right here, almost touching that. But we could have a few days, so it wouldn't surprise me. Rate for a few days first and then drop lower. It's on my list, but perhaps again it will be after Thursday, because Thursday is the British Central Bank meeting, so Bank of England's meeting. Whether we're going to raise interest rate to tackle more inflation or we're going to pause from now on, I'll be watching out on Thursday. So Thursday will be the action day, because Wednesday is the FOMC, Thursday is the Bank of England. So a bit of patience required early of the week, but definitely I'm looking to sell the FTSE as well. Hang Seng is been weak. We know that it has been weak. It's now breaking even lower. It's not the best price action to trade, so we could pop a bit higher first depending on what the Fed's doing. So I mean, it's not top of my list to trade at all now. So we'll keep an eye on that and see any weakness coming on Hang Seng for me. But definitely not good to buy, too weak to buy, but in the middle of nowhere to sell. Nikkei last week, we did see it breaking higher, but now we're just, could this be a fake out on the top channel? We don't know. Break inside, back in this channel 33,000, and yes, it could be a fake out and try and test lower. So keep an eye on that at the moment. So similar things, too bullish to sell, but too early as well to sell on that end. So that's all for me in the stock market. I'm bearish, so mainly I'm looking to sell the Nasdaq. But if you check out my forex plan, my main plan is actually to buy the US dollar and gold. So make sure you subscribe and check out our channel if you want to know what my forex plan is. Thank you very much for watching.